Scene 4, take 1.
My name is Molly Strafford.
It's Jane Strafford.
My name's Jessica Deacon.
George. I'm Aria.
Ethan.
Stephanie Woolley.
PJ Whitehouse.
My name is Miss Irving.
Harry.
Lily.
So I'm the producer, director, writer, female actress, editor and a few other bits as well.
I am Charlie's mum and a teacher in the film, and I also help by being a runner for Molly with whatever she might need.
I am assistant director, social media and also an extra.
I'm playing the role of Sam, managing props, some costume and set as well.
Ben.
I'm the understudy for Sam.
An extra.
I'm head of drama and I've taught Molly before, and obviously my year 10 students are involved in the performance.
The side character, James, and the
Like backup character.
Well, I thought it would be really great not only for sort of my portfolio as an actress and filmmaker, but also for the James Brindley Foundation and sort of the community it brings together within Aldridge and Walsall.
Because it seems like a nice, fun thing to do, build up my experience.
Well, I thought it would be something new for me to do, and I think it's given me a better outlook on how you can do with teamwork and work well with each other. And plus I've got to meet loads of new people.
Partly because Molly's an ex-student, she's a fantastic lady, and obviously my year 10s is a great experience for them to be part of a filming process, and obviously they can also use it as part of their BTEC coursework as well.
So I spoke to a guy that works at Aldridge Youth Theatre called Tom, and he gave me an idea of working with the James Brindley Foundation to make a film, and I thought let's go for it, and it just sort of went from there.
Pretty much from the concept of it, I've tried to sort of support Molly wherever she's needed it, and yeah, it's just led on from there.
I've known Molly from college and she invited me to it.
I found out about this through the use of my drama teacher, Miss Irving, and I just thought it's going to be a brilliant opportunity for my future.
as well. Miss Irving got me the role. Miss Irving got me to this.
Miss Irving told us about it.
Miss Irving over there.
Because Molly messaged me and said, please help, and I did.
I've loved every second of it. There's been difficult moments within filming, within editing, within planning, but honestly I love watching it all come together. Watching sort of my edit at the end is great, but also the filming process was amazing. I loved it so much.
Actually seeing the editing part of it has been a real eye-opener. I enjoyed the filming side of it, but there's so much that goes into it that nobody sees, so I've really enjoyed seeing how that works.
When I have to organise and set everything out, like at the start of the day I have to like put everything out on a table, this is for this scene, and then afterwards this scene. It's like really nice, it's therapeutic to like put everything out.
Definitely just being Ben.
I mean, the recording is quite fun, and I like acting, like, you know, like pretending to do stuff.
Probably acting in the hallways, because we had to like plan everything out to do it.
I'm hoping to become a game designer for a large gaming company. This experience has probably been a lot better for me for gaining confidence in myself to go and work with other people I've never even met before. But I think it'll be good for my CV as well, because then when I'm applying for jobs in the future, well, I can say that I've worked quite well with other people, and I can manage to follow instructions correctly.
Because I want to get into film work anyway, and it's good to get experience.
I want to become an actor. It also shows my commitment and development of a character throughout.
The aim of the charity, first and foremost, was to tackle serious youth violence, which is so often manifest through knife crime. And in doing that, to save other families from having to face life without their loved one under such traumatic circumstances.
I think it's as a family, it's been the charity's been going for was nearly 8 years. It will be 8 years in November. And I think it's been a massive, well, I don't think it has been a massive focus for us as a family. It's given us a purpose after what happened to James, and to ensure that we're doing good in James's name, because that's exactly the type of person he was. He was such a, I know people say after when somebody passes away or dies, they were such an inspiration, but he genuinely was. He was to everybody he met. So for us to do this, it's a real honour for, in his name.
The main thrust of the charity is the Full Circle programme, which again was named after James. And that is the programme that tackles the root causes of serious youth violence. We've now written a Full Circle programme to support parents who don't have the understanding or capacity perhaps to support their children. A lot of parents don't understand what young people have to deal with in their everyday lives, the pressures, particularly through social media.
We obviously work closely with professionals, whether that's teachers, people in local authorities, alternative education, anybody that works with young people in those sorts of settings. We train them to be able to deliver the Full Circle programme to young people and be able to, facilitate that with their own mentoring. But our team also, we get a lot of referrals, again, from the same sorts of schools, alternative provisions, local authorities, the police, and parents actually as well. So a lot of our work is around mentoring, but we use that tool, that programme that we've created, because it is working.
Uniquely, our knife bins all have QR codes on them, which directly link to our website, and anybody in a community can use that QR code to anonymously report to the charity issues that they're concerned about. A lot of young people carry a knife out of fear, and they think that by carrying a knife they're making themselves safer. But of the young people who have been stabbed and make it to hospital, 70% of those have been stabbed with their own knife. So they've had it taken off them in a situation and it's been used against them. So it is a myth to think that you're safer if you carry a knife.